Question number 1. Okay, start the timer. The diameter of a particular circle is equal to the length of the side of the square. Okay, so you see this is the length d of the square and this is the circle. So let me, what I will do is let me take the radius to be r over here. If I take this as r, this will also be r. So therefore I can write d equal to 2r. Okay, length of one side of this square is d plus or minus d. Okay, so this is d plus or minus d. The area of the circle is pi d square by 4. Pi d square by 4. What is the fractional uncertainty in the area of the square by fractional uncertainty in the area of the circle? This is the question. How do we solve? Fractional uncertainty in the area of the square. What is the area of the square? Area of the square, I will write this as a square is equal to d square. As is equal to d square. Therefore, if I do delta as by as, I'll get this as 2 times delta d divided by d. Okay. Then in a similar way, if I want to find out from here, now what do I get here for uncertainty in the area of the circle? So I will have area of the circle should be equal to pi d square divided by 4. So I can also write this as delta AC by AC is equal to 2 times delta d divided by d, because pi and 4 are constant. So you see this and this are same, which means if I take the ratio of these two, you will get the answer as 1. Because the answer is 1 over here. Very simple. Okay.